A day of student protest. Early on Monday morning, hundreds of students gathered outside the university gate to organize a peaceful demonstration. They carried placards and banners with powerful slogan demanding a fair investigation into the recent exam paper leak. Student representatives explained that they were not protesting against education itself but against an unfair system that had affected thousands of honest students. The protest began with peaceful march around the campus. After the march, the students held a sit-in protest near the administrative building. A few student leaders also announced an indefinite hunger strike to draw public attention to their demands. Volunteers distributed drinking water, guided the crowd, and requested everyone to maintain the public order and avoid violence. As the crowd grew larger, several journalists and the television reporter arrived to cover the rally. Many parents and the local residents also joined the gathering to show their support. The students submitted a petition and memorandum to the university authority requesting greater transparency, accountability, and stronger security for future examinations. Later in the afternoon, police and other law enforcement officers reached the campus to ensure safety. Temporary barricades were placed around the entrance to manage the crowd. Most protesters remained calm and cooperated with the official. However, a small group ignored repeated warning and attempt to cross the barricades. As tension increased, the police carried out a baton charge to disperse part of the crowd. Medical team immediately arrived to assist the injured, while volunteers helped maintain peace. In the evening, student representatives and the university officials began a dialogue to discuss possible reforms. The meeting includes negotiation no issues such as examination security, faster investigation, and better communication with the student. Although no final resolution was reached that day, both sides agreed to continue discussion through the proper democratic process. The event reminded everyone that peaceful advocacy, responsible, decent, and respectful communication are essential in democratic society. It also showed that the meaningful changes requires patience, cooperation, and commitment to solving problems through discussion rather than conflict.